Looking for a tropical getaway that offers pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and a touch of luxury? Look no further than the Maldives, a beautiful island nation nestled in the Indian Ocean. With its stunning natural beauty and a plethora of activities, it's no wonder that the Maldives has become a popular tourist destination. Here are the top 5 sites to visit in the Maldives. 1. Malé. Start your journey in the capital city of Maldives, Malé. As the bustling hub of the country, Malé offers a unique blend of traditional and modern attractions. Explore the vibrant local markets, visit the Grand Malé Friday Mosque, and immerse yourself in the rich culture and history of the Maldives. 2. Baa Atoll. If you're an avid snorkeler or diver, Baa Atoll is a must-visit destination. It is home to Hanifaru Bay, a UNESCO World Biosphere Reserve, and one of the best places in the world to witness a thrilling gathering of manta rays and whale sharks. Dive into the crystal clear waters and be amazed by the marine life diversity. 3. Hulhumail. Just a short boat ride away from Malé, Hulhumail is a man-made island that showcases modern infrastructure, stunning beaches, and a relaxed atmosphere. Enjoy long walks along the pristine shoreline, indulge in water sports activities like snorkeling and jet skiing, or simply unwind and soak up the breathtaking views. 4. Mafushi. For a taste of local life in the Maldives, head to Mafushi, a popular local island. Here, you can experience the authentic Maldivian culture, interact with friendly locals, and savor delicious local cuisine. Don't miss the opportunity to explore the stunning nearby snorkeling spots and pristine sandbanks. 5. Philhowhee Island. If you're looking for an idyllic beach retreat, Philhowhee Island is the place to be. With its white sandy beaches, turquoise lagoons, and lush greenery, it offers a picture-perfect setting for relaxation. Take a leisurely walk along the shore, unwind in a hammock, or indulge in rejuvenating spa treatments. Whether you're seeking adventure, cultural experiences, or simply a heavenly beach escape, the Maldives has something for everyone. Immerse yourself in the beauty of the islands, and create memories that will last a lifetime.